Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a magical drink recipe. This is not a new remedy, but if you use it regularly, you will get its all benefits. This remedy works in a way that it will clean your body of toxin and boost your metabolism work. After that, you will lose weight much faster and easier. The best way to detox your body is naturally. To consuming this remedy on a daily basis will help you lose weight, improvement in circulation, improve the nutrients absorption, protect you against flu, improve stomach issues and digestion, boost your immune system, prevent joint pain. To prepare this drink, you will need 2-inch piece of ginger, 1.5 liter of water, 1 large sized lemon. Add 1.5 liter of water in a saucepan, bring to boil it, then add thin slices of ginger to the boiling water, leave it to simmer on low flame for 15 minutes. Then remove from heat, let it cool, then mix lemon juice in it, save in a bottle and use 1 glass of this drink daily on an empty stomach. To get the real effect of this remedy, to use it for a month. Thanks for watching.